6 years ago when I was in grade 9. In the summer of grade 9, I went to a camp with Catching the Spirit, and we actually went on a bog tour during that camp because we luckily had a few restoration workers with us at that camp, so that was Sean and his brother Graham. And from that tour, they introduced me to how to get involved with CVRG and how to start volunteering in the bog, so that's kind of how I got started. I'm very grateful to be able to be on this land of the unceded traditional ancestral land of the Musqueam. I think that just hearing about stories from them about the two-headed serpent, there's a very cool video resource that was shared in their language talking about the bog and its importance. And I think just always keeping that in mind, always being grateful, knowing that you're a settler on this land is super important as a volunteer and as a person just living on this land. I would say my favorite plant is probably the Sundew. It's just so cool. It's a little carnivorous plant that you can see. You have to keep your eyes peeled up, but they're little red plants with little sun-like heads, which is why I think they're called sundews. And they have these little sticky hairs with small dews on them that capture insects, and that's how they get their nutrients in this bog, which is a very low nutrient ecosystem. So that's kind of how they live in the bog, which is super cool to me. That's a really hard question to answer. I think many aspects of working in the bog really make my day and my week and my year. I think just being in the bog and being able to work in this unique and sensitive ecosystem with a group of people who are really dedicated and really passionate about the ecosystem is just the best thing. Being able to share stories and talk to people who've worked with the bog for 30 years, 20 years, they have such amazing stories, and it's great to be able to work with them.